Joy we shared, all the time we had to spend. And if I had one wish, I want forever back again. To look into your eyes and hold you when you cry. It's not easy to say goodbye. I can remember all those great times that we shared. There were so many memories, some good, some bad. Oh yes, and through it all, those memories will last forever. There's peace in where you are. Maybe all I need to know. If I listen to my heart, I hear your laughter once more. And so I've got to say, I'm just glad you came my way. It's not easy. It's not easy to say.